طيب يا حبايب، ناخذ مراجعة بسيطة عن كيفية استعمال اللي هي الهاند تولز، الأدوات. تمام؟ بما إنه في فيديو راح ينزل إن شاء الله، ولكن الشرح راح يكون باللغة الإنجليزية في القناة تبعي على اليوتيوب، في إيش هي وظائف الأدوات الرئيسية اللي هي تواصيل اوتوماتيك، إيش وظائفها، كيفية الاستعمال. أبغاكم تركزوا معايا اللي بتفرج المقطع. أهم شيء عندنا ترى الوضعيات أثناء الفك أو الشد. تمام؟ إن شاء الله اليوم دب معايا الدعم إذا أمكن أصور كم مقطع اللي هي في وضعية الفك عشان ما تأثر على فقراتك على عظامك. تمام؟ حياكم الله جميعا مرة ثانية وتنورونا. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good afternoon everyone. After we finish three types or three main subjects in our hand tools, we will move to the socket wrench handles. What do we have in the socket wrench handle? We have, or what is the meaning of socket wrench handle? Means this one will not be useful without the socket wrench. What does that mean? That means this is the handle that we have for the socket wrench to remove faster and easy the bolt or the nuts. We have different type. We have extension bar, hang handle, ratchet handle, and the speed handle. That all is for the removing and installing bolts or nuts easily and faster. Okay, what about the ratchet handle? One of the handle names by ratchet handle. This ratchet handle you can choose by yourself. Either you want it to be opening side or closing side. Means one side will be moved and the other side will stuck. That means we have inside a lock and free. You can choose it in this side, so this side will be lock and this side will be free. So you can tighten it easily to be entitled, and also in the other side which is loosening. Next we have spinner. Spinner, as you know, this is the most strongest handle in the socket wrench set. It can carry many or a lot of torque to tighten the bolt or to loosen tighten bolt. If you want to tighten or to lose something very hard, you have to twist this one to make it 90 degree and tight or lose the bolt or the nuts. But be careful. If you use this one at this angle and you want to remove very tight bolt or nut, it might slip. Why? Because it is not 90 degree. So we have to make it first of all at 90 degree, then after it is loosened, we will make it align to remove it fast. Next, we have sliding T-handle. Sliding T-handle, we call it T-handle because of the shape that we have. You can move the socket handle either this side or at the middle, so it will be as a T-handle. If you make it T-handle, it will be easy to loose or to tight. And if you make it L shape, it will have, and if you make it L shape, it will have more resist to contain more torque. So, hints. Using a sliding T-handle bar with both hands positioned on either side gives you more control. So when you fix the sliding T-handle with extension bar and at the end there is socket wrench and you use both hands, it will give you more force and more power to control. So you will hold it and turn it easily. Next, by sliding the straight bar head all the way, it will be as a L shape. Okay, so it will take, or it can take more torque. And that is about the socket wrench set. Thank you so much.
أخيرا وليس آخرا، ما ننسى زر اللايك والاشتراك في القناة، فعلوا جرس التنبيهات. أي شيء جديد عندنا إن شاء الله ننزله في اليوتيوب راح يوصلك أول. طب أي أحد عنده سؤال عنده استفسار تقدر تتواصل معنا عن طريق التعليقات اللي داخل نازل تحت.